Here I'll show you how you in Onsiter can create new roles and invite users with that given role. So what you do is that you simply go to account here, and here you see all the different settings. So let's go to roles and see we have created some roles already. So let's try to create a hiring manager 2. We create role here, and then we do, and let's say that the hiring manager 2 would have access to everything except that they cannot download contracts and they cannot view statistics, for instance, across the organization. So in this way here, we lock the user rights into a role. Let's try to do it. So now we have created the new role, and we can go here to users, and then we can invite users with that given role. So let's say that this is Søren Jespersen. And here we select between the roles that we have created. So let's select hiring manager 2, and let's say Søren is in IT. And then we submit. And that is simply how we create a new role with locked access right and invite a new user with that given role. Thank you.